The focus first and foremost is the patient. What are their expectations? Some patients want amazing density, some are okay with less density. In fact, some demand low to moderate density.
The results stood out. The hairline, the fact that it was undetectable. I felt Alvi Armani it had more in-depth thought process about the artistry involved and the care involved.
When you're looking at the donor region, you're looking at the patient's expectations, not just now, but into the future as hair loss progresses and follicles age, including the donor region. What is the availability of that donor region? What can you do for that patient should their hair loss progress, which for most patients it surely will.
I was a little nervous walking in here because I was like, okay, what do I expect? I've never been to a hair loss consultation before. And showed me kind of where, if I was to get a hair transplant, where the grafts would go, how many grafts they think I would need. And then even talking with the doctor, he sat me down in the office and kind of went through my hair, asked me about some family history, just so he had an idea of where my hair loss comes from or where it would continue to go if it did.
Of course, on a physiological and medical level, you're looking at skin texture, you're looking at angles of follicles, you're looking at densities in the variety regions in the occipital, parietal, temporal regions, and figuring out how you can create a look that is undetectable as opposed to over-harvesting in a specific area. You're looking at bleeding tendencies. Throughout the harvesting, you're looking at your percentages, what the multiple follicular unit percentages are. You're looking at hair counts per follicle, and you're looking at accuracy to ensure that the angles are being seen correctly, that you're not wasting grafts, follicles for no reason.
Dr. Bobak allowed me to have input on every major decision that was to be made, and he helped me understand that you can't design it any old way. There has to be a certain art and science to doing it, but he gave me a little bit of leeway to having it look the way I wanted within the boundaries of his craft, and I felt really great about doing that, and I was always happy with the result that I got.